Lean over, all the way over with the cookie. Put your hand almost in the water, almost like you're in the water. A little bit more, a little more. The thing is blinding him. Right, that's good. Now wait till one, go back down, go back down. He's coming, go down, down. Good job. See, just go lower. The lower you go, the better it is for you. Yeah. Imagine you wanting some food and I'm hanging it over your mouth all the way up high. You're gonna have to jump, 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 pumpkin. So it's the same thing for him, Princessa. See, he's trying to, Ethan, feed him, baby, feed him. He's like, screw that. I have to work too hard for this.
Yelling me now. Please.
You have to use both hands, Nathan. When you're picking him up, yeah, you have to use both hands to hold him. Right, pick him up. You can pick him up. That's a good one. He's small. Pick him up, baby. He's small.
What one? This one?
Yeah, that's a small one.
Hey.
Please won't leave me alone.
Hey. What? Hey. This is big one there. That's easy.
Wait, the big one is watching your fingers.
Oh, this one's coming over. Hey! I think this one is going to be my brave one.
You can sit on the ground, Kiana, if you feel more comfortable just sitting down flat or knee, whatever makes you more comfortable.
Hey! I think doing this makes me most comfortable, but I don't know. Woo. I already set myself in the way. I feel like
A little bit lower. Good job. See? You're doing it.
What? I have eat one. Hey!
I want to see Nathan pick one up.
He's catching on, so he's probably gonna pick one up. Oh, little red!
Wait till he finish, Nana. He's eating. This damn bee.
It's not a bee, it's probably a hornet.
Pick him up, Nathan. Good job. Hold him properly. Go ahead. Go ahead. Lift him, Fari. Lift him.
I know, I'm just looking.
Good job. Go ahead. You have to be brave, Papa. If you're scared, you're going to drop him. Pick him up, baby. Pick him up. Use your two hands. Good job. Pick him up. Good job. You just got him. Your hand, Nathan, your hand.
No.
The other one is looking for food.
Okay, but I want him to buy me card. I guess. Whoa. Look at that, dude. Mom. Stopping, Mama.
Yeah, that one is too big for your hands. Hello. A little bit lower.
Mom, they were about to attack each other.
No, they were just trying to climb up to get to it.
That was a close one. I ran out of like stable ones that are stable together. Oh, here it comes. It's coming over like that.